Today's video is going to be showing you guys an option for if you guys have pastel color hair or gray hair or any fashion color, just one option for how to maintain that color when you get home, in case you did it yourself at home or in case your stylist didn't give you the full instructions. This is one way. I do have another way that I'm going to be showing you guys in a few days of how you guys can maintain your color. So every time I wash my hair, I do have to reapply color, or I have to do some sort of thing to try to maintain that color. If you're going to use this method, I recommend using the R & Co Gemstone Shampoo and Conditioner. It is guaranteed to make your color last up to 10 washes, which is insane. Let's just get into this video. This is how I did my hair today. I just washed it and I just used what I'm about to show you in this video. Okay, so you're going to start off with some conditioner and the color of your choice. This is not Olaplex in here. This is just what I use to do this method. So I just put regular white conditioner in there. You want to make sure that it's white. If it has a color to it, it's going to change the color of your hair. I'm using Smoky Silver from Pravana. It's the Vivids. And I am just going to squeeze this into this white conditioner that is in this tube. Again, it has to be white. Make sure it doesn't have a yellow tint or anything like that. And I'm just going to squeeze it in there until I have it to what I think is a nice liking, a nice ratio, and then I'm going to put the lid on and shake it. Make sure that there's no clumps or any patches of just conditioner or just color, because you want it to be as even as possible. And then if you decide that you want a little bit darker, you can always add more of that color in there. So now you have it done. This next clip, I look crazy. I had just woken up and this is what I do before I go in the shower. Okay, so put gloves on. Put on something, oh, these are wet. Put on something that you could zip off of you when you're done so that you don't ruin it, and something that you also don't care if it gets a little bit of color on it. Okay, so then you have the mixture, and you're also gonna want a regular clip. I like to use not a metal clip because I don't want it to like mess up with the chemicals on my hair. So I like this bottle because it's like a squirt bottle. It makes it easier. You can definitely do this in the shower if you want, but I want to leave it on for a while. You can leave it on, you could just do it in the shower if you want, but I want to leave it on for a while. So I want to make sure that it really works. So I'm just going to put some in my hands. Like so. And then just start putting it in my hair. So my whole goal is to get everything with a little bit of product on it and then later on go in and saturate. But I want to make sure that I get everything touched. If you want less of a light kind of pastel color, what you can do is just put the color straight on. You will be using more color because you're not going to be like diluting it and able to spread it as easily as you would with conditioner in it. But if you want like less of a pastel and more of a true or richer color, just do it straight from the tube. These colors fade whether or not I wash my hair. Like this gray fades over like 3 days. It doesn't even matter if I wash it or not. So if you think like, oh, washing it less will just preserve it, it doesn't. There is an easier way, and I will show you guys that in another video. But I figure I'll show you guys this first. This is like the traditional way to do this, but there is an easier way, I promise. Okie doke, I think that pretty much wraps up this video. I think you guys have a pretty good idea of how that color worked. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye, guys.